On Pez?
Yeah.
Yep, that's me. Anyway, just a little bit of context. I've had this sidecar at this point for just over 24 hours, and Terry, aka Motorshed, jumps in the chair and we go for a ride.
Excellent.
Watch my Castro. Fidel Castro.
Yeah. I'm locked in. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
I'm happy.
Right, oh, hang on.
I'm happy with that.
Then I've got to find neutral again.
Oh yeah. There you go. You're rolling. No.
No, I'm not. Yep, now I'm rolling. Oh, there we go.
Right. Do you want directions to get out of here then?
Yeah, because I don't know the way from Rikers from here.
Okay. We're pretty much straight back across the roundabout we just came through. Follow that back to all the way to traffic lights.
I didn't think I'd be taking a passenger out the second day of me owning this thing.
Oh well. Trial by fire, mate.
That's like 4,000 RPM. It's
Yeah.
at 7,000. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, as long as you're not poodling less than that. Whoa.
So where are we going?
Let's follow it all the way round. Back to.
Lean to the left. Lean to the left.
Yeah, I'm leaning. Lean to the right.
Straight here? Or right?
Straight on.
Okay.
This is, Pezza, this is brilliant. I didn't think I'd be brave enough to get in it.
You know, we'll be stupid enough to get in it.
Alright, stupid enough then.
I have to really work it through the gears more with you in it.
Yeah. Well, there's 100 kilos in the chair now.
I think the maximum weight is 20 stone on this.
That's alright, I'm only 15.
Yeah. Where
Ish.
are we going?
Left.
Left.
I'll lean when we're ready to go.
Oh, I just accelerate on this. We have to accelerate, because if we don't accelerate, and I just try to turn it, it won't. It will just keep going straight. This is what caught me out. I need to accelerate hard, and it just pulls us round the corner.
Kind of.
Like that.
This is like, it goes, it's a lot better on the main road, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. We've got another gear to go. We're doing about 45.
Nice. So you want to do a right turn where that car's going?
You mean a left?
A right turn? Yeah.
Well, the skill level to drive this though, it really is.
You've got loads of speed bumps down here, soz.
Oh no. Well, no, you're going to problem because it's going to be bumpy for you.
That's alright, it's quite smooth.
When I've got you in it, it is. When I'm not, this front is like that.
Yeah, don't do that.
It just wobbles so much.
Well, this is
this
like.
Could be interesting. Oh.
Put me over the bump. Trial by fire, mate. That's the way to do it.
Trial by fire, yeah. Oh, there's a speed bump. Let's have some speed off.
I come out the chair. I love it. This is brilliant.
We need to get some speed up now.
It's actually alright when it gets going, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember, you're wider.
I do want to get a mirror for that side.
Oh, what, so you can see, yeah.
No, so you can see. So you can see what's going on behind.
I don't care. I'm just up.
Little bit of smoke. Right, lean, left.
Yep.
There we go.
I still think I have to help you ride it by leaning. Whoa.
Hey, we speeding. Naughty.
Even the dog was looking. I mean, come on. I mean, it does get some looks. I've stopped holding on like a little girl now. I'm just like, it's alright. I trust you, Pezza. I don't know, many people wouldn't, but I do. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I'll come off and go one way, you'll go the other.
For that scene from on the buses.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Well, don't do that. You've got plenty of room on these cars, you're fine.
Okay.
I'll tell you when you get a bit too close. You're alright. Yeah, don't do that, I didn't like that. Oh, this is wicked. I can't believe I've got Crocs on as well. It can't get any worse.
Right,
well, it can.
To the right.
Yeah. Oh, that was left, sorry.
You fight the bars to make it turn.
Well, when you think it can't get any worse, you're wearing Crocs.
Yeah. Lean to the left a little bit.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Straight through. This is absolutely brilliant.
We can do Pezza sidecar tours now.
Yeah. It pulls well though, doesn't it? It really does.
2-stroke.
Do you know what they say? Any more than 2 strokes, you'll have to cut that bit out.
Yeah.
I reckon I look. Oh, get me in the mirror. Oh, look, we look majestic. Look, you see yourself in the reflection.
Well, there's so many people looking at us right now.
Everyone's looking at us. I mean, they must know I'm wearing Crocs. I'm just looking in the windows as we go past. We look majestic, I'm telling you. I mean, what a sight to behold. I trust you. Straight through. You know where you are now, yeah? You know where you are?
I don't come this way.
Well, follow it to Dorking. I mean, it's not difficult.
Oh yeah, Dorking, yeah.
Oh, we look cool. Yeah, they see a motorbike, they don't see the chair, do they?
Oh, they don't see the chair.
Oh, this is fun. I don't mind being a guinea pig, to be honest. I've never ever been in a chair. Ever.
What, you don't sit down? How do you sit down at home?
You know what I mean. I've never been in a sidecar outfit. Don't be overtaking anybody today.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You probably do it.
No. I'll just keep going for the sake handle every time you do things like that. I can't believe I've got Crocs on. I've left the house in Crocs. I mean, Jesus.
What? You should have just nipped back to your house for a second.
No, that's right. That's grounds for divorce, that is. Leaving the house with Crocs on. Right, now I've got to lean to the left. To the left, to the left.
Well, we're going so slow here.
Yeah.
I might not have enough speed to carry us around the corner. Hang on, gear down.
I mean, I don't know who's got the biggest set of balls out of the both of us. You for taking me on it, or me for getting in it. I mean, that's a...
basically.
I mean, what a set of kahunas.
Right, lean to the right.
I'm lean.
Yeah, it's true. Or we could go up the...
No, we're not going up Pebble Hill. I'm not getting out and walking. Right, so left lean, then right lean.
Yeah.
Right, I lean. Left lean.
Right lean.
And now right lean. And then left lean again. Mr. Gear. Don't go too fast.
65 now.
That's enough. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, it's probably out by about 10 miles anyway, so it's probably fine. Right, lean a little bit to the right.
I am, look.
Not that much.
Right round the giant cock and then down to Rikers. Oh, this is going to be an experience going round here.
Right, I have to... this is going to be actually really hard to turn because this is like the worst case scenario because we're going from stationary, moving forward, but it doesn't want to turn right when you're moving.
Yeah.
Right. Let's just make sure we've got a nice big gap.
Yeah. When the next one comes across straight on. I'm leaning. Turning right. There we go.
Left.
Yep. I'm to the left. I've got it, mate. You have to tell me twice. I just sometimes get me left and right mixed up because I'm still pooping myself a little bit.
Where do we go from here? I'm lost.
Oh no, you're not. Even if we just turn around and come back, if you haven't got time, at least you've.
No, I've got time. We'll stop and have a proper walk around.
Hopefully the queue's not too bad for the coffees. To the right, just so you can do the dark.
Speed off as we can.
Yeah.
I wonder if this thing will be like off-road. It's probably terrible because of low ground clearance.
Yeah. Right.
We've got to show as much speed off as we can.
Yeah, I'm leaning.
Right.
Whoa.
Whoa. Lean to the left.
I am, yeah.
Oh, it's a Titan.
I'm leaning.
Oh, it's a Titan. Oh.
Woohoo!
Oh, it's so hard to do that. That was. But the hard, we're going a bit quick. Okay, let's slow down here.
You got loads of room. Oh, brilliant.
Right. Do we stick it?
Stick it behind these vans. We'll move it if we have to.
No. No, they're going.
Yeah, you're right. Are you going to reverse in?
I haven't got a reverse gear. But maybe we got the momentum to go backwards.
Nope.
No, we got it. Stop moving, you prick.
Hey, you're very close to the van. That's it. Now, full lock that way. There you go. Come on.
Good?
Yeah. That'll do ya. Oh, that is awesome.
Oh.
So, how was your near-death experience?
It was right. I'm not near death at all. It's exhilarating.
I don't know, but they're learners, aren't they? Someone's videoing us. Left stick. Oh, right.